After you downloaded Paperla, you'll get action file, style file, PSD sample and vector sample. To install Action, double-click on Action file. Go to Photoshop and open Actions window by clicking Window on menu bar and click Actions. Make sure you select Paperla Base Generator and then click Play button. It will automatically create new document with effect folder in it. Now let's load Paperla depth style to Photoshop. Go to Photoshop, click Window on menu bar and click Styles. On Styles window, click top right icon and select Load Styles. Navigate to Paperla depth style and click Open. Paperla depth style is now added to Styles window. Now let's open Paperla sample PSD. You can use this file as a starting point for your design. All the effect you see in this file is exactly the same when you generate new document using Paperla Base Generator. Now let's try to make your own design. First, create your design in vector apps such as Adobe Illustrator. Make sure each object is in separate layer. To maintain vector shape when you export it to Photoshop, make sure to convert all objects to compound shape. Select one of the object, open Pathfinder window. Click top right icon and select Make Compound Shape. See the top left window to make sure that your object is compound shape and not path or shape. Next, you can export the file to Photoshop. Now you can open the exported file to Photoshop. Usually Illustrator will make the file bigger, so you need to scale down the file to 4000 by 4000 pixel. Illustrator also automatically generate each object to separate folder group. To remove this group, select All Group, Control-click and select Ungroup Layers. Now let's generate new file using Paperla Base Generator. Back to your design, select all layers and copy all layers to newly generated Paperla base. You can group all layers and make sure you put it below adjustment folders and above base color layer. Use the base color layer to replace your lowermost object on your design. Now you can select each layer and apply depth style from Styles window.